This video captures a rare and astonishing moment of a huge male lion crashing into a car during a fight.
This is a terrible beast attack. The man in the video was almost eaten alive. Seeing a tiger sprang out of the farmland, rushed straight to the patrol member in front of him, thanks to riding an elephant. Otherwise, the tiger that rises from the sky must kill the man. Such a thrilling scene perfectly interprets the strength of the tiger's top hunters. The cause of the attack was a female Bengal tiger breaking into a local village. The Indian authorities organized a handmade statue to drive away. The result angered the tiger. I left this classic video that went viral on the internet as the top hunter among cats. The tiger is noble and fierce. Cannibalism has a long history. For hundreds of years, countless humans have been eaten, except for the Bengal tiger in India and the Sumatran tiger in Indonesia. In the extremely cold land of the Far East, the king of the ice world, the Siberian tiger, there is also a glorious tradition of cannibalism. Sokol, a Russian animal researcher, was attacked by a Siberian tiger, although in the end he survived the catastrophe. But the terrible experience has made him have nightmares so far. It was a snowy afternoon. Sokol was walking on the way back to the camp. There are no shortage of cannibal beasts in this forest, but a man has never had an accident in 15 years of work. It's just that everything is different today. Just as he climbed the hill, an amazing force burst out from behind. A Siberian tiger roared and rushed towards him, instantly threw the man to the ground. Siberian tiger is also called Siberian tiger. It is considered to be the largest tiger subspecies. They can weigh up to 300 kilograms, 4 meters long. The huge jaws can easily bite the bones of prey. Even black bears are sometimes their hunting targets. It can be said to be the perfect counter in nature, but Siberian tigers rarely attack humans, mainly because their number is too small. In the past 100 years, this extraordinary beast was almost wiped out by humans. According to statistics, 80% of Siberian tigers die at the hands of humans. In order to get their fur, poachers do everything they can. The number of these beasts has plummeted. Now there are only more than 500 left. The probability of humans being attacked by them can be said to be small and small. Poor Sokol obviously won the jackpot. The angry tiger bit the man's cap. Blood splattered for a while. The pain made him scream again and again. Sokol's situation is quite dangerous. He can't break free on his own. About to die in the mouth of the tiger. Critical juncture. Things have turned around.